Good morning, children. Are you able to hear my voice? Okay. Today we are going to start our new topic. Before starting our today's topic, I am going to tell you one story. The name of the story is A Clever Monkey and the Hidden Clues. As you know, all of you are like to listen stories. So I am going to start my topic with the help of this story. First of all, listen the story carefully, and you have to tell me the moral of the story also. That's why you have to listen the story very carefully. The name of our story is The Clever Monkey and the Hidden Clues. Do you know what is the meaning of clues? Yes, clues means the hints which we use. With the help of these hints, we can find something. So here is one jungle. In this deep inside the green jungle lived a clever monkey. The name of the monkey is Momo. And one morning, this Momo found a banana with a note. एक चिठ्ठी होती आणि त्या चिठ्ठीवर काहीतरी लिहिलेला मजकूर या मोमोला सापडला. The note is that find me where water sings and tall trees smile. Is it possible that water sings and tall trees smile? But on the note, it is written. It was written. So he think about it. Momo thought for a while. He did not hurry. त्याने अजिबात घाई केली नाही. He looked around carefully and listened the sound. त्याने इकडे तिकडे पाहिलं जंगलात आणि सगळे आवाज त्याने शांतपणे ऐकले. Soon he heard a waterfall. जेव्हा त्याने वॉटरफॉल्स मीन्स धबधब्यातून पडणाऱ्या पाण्याचा आवाज ऐकला, नियर इट स्टूड टॉल ट्रीज. Under a big rock, he found another clue. Then, what is in this clue? It said that count the flowers and look behind the oldest tree. When he goes near the waterfall, then he can found, or he have to count the flowers and look behind the oldest tree, so that all these animals, also so that a wise Momo tried to find the flowers. The number of flowers he found is that he had found, Momo counted 5 flowers behind the oldest tree, and he found the basket of fruits. Because of his clear observation and with the help of given clues, he can think on it. That's why he is able to find the basket of all these fruits. Every animal in the forest near him saw all these things. All the animals were surprised, and all is there. So the wise all smiled and said, "The greatest treasure is not a fruit." मला फ्रुट्स मिळाले हे काही मोठी गोष्ट नाही. मग मोठी गोष्ट कोणती आहे? इट इज द पॉवर टू थिंक. तो विचार करू शकला ही मोठी गोष्ट आहे. From that day, every animal loved solving puzzles before the sunset. सूर्य मावळण्यापूर्वी त्या जंगलातील इतर प्राणी सुद्धा अशा प्रकारचे पझलचे खेळ खेळायला त्यांनी सुरुवात केली. सो आर यू एबल टू Tell me, what is the moral of the story? As I know, all of you thinking right in the right way. That the moral of the story is a sharp mind can solve every puzzle. As all of you are clever students and your mind is also sharp, so I know that all of you can able to easily solve all the puzzles. So our today's topic, interesting topic is solving puzzles with the help of given clues. First of all, we have to think on it. What is the data given to us? Then we have to observe this data. Then try to solve the questions asked according to it. So that every clue brings you closer to the answer. What is given in a question, you have to solve all these puzzles, so that he can able to so that you can able to answer all these questions. So what we have to do is that we have to read the clues, then think carefully, find the answer, be a little detective. As I know, all you like to play games, detective games, or police or thief games, so that be a little detective. You can enjoy these things. Look at here. This girl is having a magnifier in her hand. What is the use of this magnifier? It can shows us large images, so that we can dictate the hidden things. Likewise, what you have to do, you have to look, think, and solve the questions. Use your brain, be a detective. तुम्हाला तुमचा ब्रेन कशा प्रकारे वापरायचा आहे, एक शोधकर्त्याच्या प्रमाणे तुम्हाला तुमचा ब्रेन, तुमचा मेंदू या ठिकाणी वापरायचा आहे. So being a little detective, what things are needed? What is the meaning of puzzle? Puzzle is a thinking game. What is it? Puzzle is a thinking game, and a puzzle is a problem to solve. As all of you know, puzzle means a problem given to solve. We use our brains to find the answer. It is a fun and an interesting topic. Then, what is the meaning of clue? Clue means the clue is a hint. With the help of this hint, we can find the answer, and the clue gives us a clear-cut information about the right answer. Then, who is a detective? As a detective solve mysteries. म्हणजे जे काही लपलेल्या गोष्टी आहेत त्या शोधून काढणारा व्यक्ती म्हणजे डिटेक्टिव्ह. अ डिटेक्टिव्ह सॉल्व मिस्ट्रीज. अ डिटेक्टिव्ह लुक्स फॉर अ क्लूज. डिटेक्टिव्ह लुक फॉर अ क्लूज. अ डिटेक्टिव्ह फाइंड अ करेक्ट आंसर. Then, if you read the clues carefully, think on it step by step, and solve the puzzles like a detective, you can easily able to solve the questions regarding puzzle very easily. That's why your vocabulary or your thinking is also according to it. It is a fun-loving game to solve all these puzzles-related questions. So, let's start today. Solving puzzles and riddles with the help of given clues. Here is an example of question, and we are going to solve all these questions. First of all, you have to read what is the instructions given to you carefully, because if you can able to understand the instructions clearly, then and then you are able to find the right answers. If you miss some words while reading the instructions, then your answers will be wrong in some cases. So, first of all, we have to read all the instructions carefully. What is given here? Solving puzzles and riddles with the given clue. Then, दिलेल्या सूचनांच्या सहाय्याने शब्दकोडी आणि कूट प्रश्न सोडविणे. अशा प्रकारचा मजकूर प्रश्न आपल्याला या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे. The sample of questions we are going to see is here. Question number 1. Select the letter from a given option to replace the star that makes meaningful word. Those who are clever students, they can easily find that this sign indicates the name of this sign indicates us the right choice of our question. Look at here. S-T-A, and there is a sign. Then the next word is that with the word next word starts with this sign. This sign O-A-D. Then what is it if we take a D? If we take D, then what is the word? Stand is the word? No. God is the word? No. That means first one is wrong one. Then the second R, S-T-A-R, star. As I told you that here is a sign. Name of this sign itself reveals the answer. The last alphabet of this word is R. If we place R over here, then the word is road, and this word is star. That means the second answer is correct. Then we are going to see a next question. Look at here, question number 2. I am a vegetable. What that tells us that I am a vegetable. Do you know the meaning of vegetables? Yes, vegetables म्हणजे भाज्या. Then I am round. The shape of me is the shape. My shape is I am a vegetable. I am a round shape. If you cut me, what they told us that if you cut me, I will make you cry. Which is the thing in vegetables? If you observe your mother while cooking, then you are able to find this answer. What is given? I am vegetable, मी भाजी आहे. I am round, मी गोल असतो. If you cut me, जर तुम्ही मला कापलं, I will make you cry. That means की तुम्हाला रडायला लावणार. मग असं पण आहे. Garlic means yes. Garlic कापल्यावर आपल्याला रडू येतं का? तर नाही. Garlic कापल्यावर आपल्याला रडू येत नाही. Then pumpkin, भोपळा कापल्यावर रडू येतं का? नाही. Onion, what is the meaning of onion? Onion means kanda. Yes, our right answer is onion. If we cut the onion, then we are going to be cry for some time. Then the fourth one is chili. It is also a wrong. Right choice is option number 3. Then see here the next question. What is in the fruit? See, this question is very interesting one. What is in the fruit? What is in the fruit but not in apple? The king has it, but not the people. Who I am? That means what is in the fruit? Fruit या शब्दात आहे, but not in an apple. But apple या शब्दात नाही. The king has it. राजाकडे असतं, परंतु राजाकडे किंग या शब्दात आहे, परंतु पीपल या शब्दात नाही. फ्रूट या शब्दात आहे, परंतु ऍपल मध्ये नाही. किंग या शब्दात आहे, परंतु पीपल या शब्दात नाही. Then let's see. The first letter is L. You have identified that the words are given in a small letter. Sometimes you make a mistake. This is alphabet L because all the words are given in a small letters. You have to identify it. First one is L. Then in a fruit there is alphabet L is there. No, that means first choice is not correct. First option is not correct because फ्रूट या शब्दामध्ये यल आलेलाच नाहीये. आणि त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय, व्हॉट इज इन फ्रूट? फ्रूट मध्ये आहे, ऍपल मध्ये नाही. जरी ऍपल मध्ये असला परंतु फ्रूट मध्ये आहे का? नाहीये. आणि ऍपल मध्ये नाहीये असं त्यांनी सांगितलं. म्हणून पहिला ऑप्शन तर गेला. त्याच्यानंतर लेट्स सी आय अल्फाबेट. फ्रूट मध्ये यस इट इज देयर. ऍपल मध्ये नाही. त्यांनी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे ऍपल मध्ये नाहीये. एवढं इथपर्यंत बरोबर आलं. देन किंग मध्ये आहे. द किंग हॅज इट. किंग या शब्दात आहे. या ठिकाणी आय आहे का? म्हणजे ही सुद्धा तिसऱ्या वर्डची डिमांड सुद्धा त्याने पूर्ण केलेली आहे. देन लेट्स सी द लास्ट वर्ड. पीपल या शब्दात नको येतो. देन सी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ पीपल. देयर इज नो आय. What is it in the fruit? Fruit मध्ये आहे, आय आहे, but not in an apple. Apple मध्ये काही तो नाही. म्हणून ही सुद्धा डिमांड त्याने पूर्ण केली आहे. Then see the next one. The king has it. King या शब्दाकडे तो आहे. कोण? I. That is I. Is but not the people. परंतु पीपल या शब्दात नाही. Then our right answer is option number second. In this question, you have to understand the language of the question. If you are able to understand the language of the question and if you are able to think on it, then and then only you can able to solve all these questions related regarding it. So let's see the next question. Question number 4 is here. I have a face but no eyes. मला face आहे परंतु eyes नाही. I have 2 hands. I wipe my face all the day. I wipe my face all the day. What am I? Is it a sun? Sun is having a face. Okay, we can easily say that because emoji of a sun is in a round shape. But a sun has 2 hands. No. Then I wipe my face all the day. Sun wipe his face all the day. No. Then the first option is not correct. First option is not correct. Then let's see a second one. Handle. and then is also not related to it. Then see a clock. Yes, here is a clock. He is having a face. There are two hands. That means a minute and an hour hand. These are the two hands so he has. And the third thing is, I wipe my face all the day with the help of this second hand. It is moving all the day. So that our right answer is option number 3. घड्याळ जे असतं त्याला चेहरा आहे, टू हँड्स, तास काटा, मिनिट काटा आहे. Then I wipe my face all the day with the help of this second hand. सेकंड काट्याच्या साहाय्याने सेकंड काटा दिवसभर फिरत राहतो म्हणून तो त्याचा चेहरा पुसतोय असं आपण समजूया. दॅट मीन्स द ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड वन इज द राईट वन. Then let's see the next question. Sorry for the interaction. Okay. What is our right answer is? Our right answer is a clock. Then let's see the next question. Question number 50 is here. Which letter will you select to complete the riddle? I think you are not able to see clearly, but I can help you. Which letter you select? Which letter will you select to complete the riddle, to form a meaningful word? Here we have to form a meaningful word. What are the meaningful words we have to form? If you are not able to understand, I can write over here. The word is given D-O dash black thing is there and R. And from here, F-R-M. We have to put the right alphabet in it so that we can form a question. That is, if what is here D-O dash R, F-R dash M. That means if we put U, then there is a no word we can able to create over here. If we put O over there, over there, then see the door word is we can able to make. That means if we put O over here, door is the word we can form, and here also F-R-O-M, from this word we can able to make. That means we can form a two meaningful word with the help of alphabet O. And let's see another one. Question number 6. Are you able to read? Yes. The question number 6 is choose proper set of letters to complete the names of the fruits. Here are some names of the fruits are given, but in but they are given some numbers in this name. Say second number is given over here. First number is given over here. Then a third number is given over here, and a fourth number is given over here. And in the options, they gives us 4 alphabets. Which pair of alphabets, if we put in this reader, then we are going to make, with the help of these alphabets, we can complete the names of fruits. Then, first of all, see, one is 1 dash ANGO. Are you able to guess the word over here? Yes, very good. If we put yum over here, then the word MANGO, mango. Then which option starts from yum? Yes, the second one starts from yes, yum. That means we don't, if you have to save your time in a question paper, then you have no need to match all these alphabets, because the first one is mango, which starts with the help of yum, and the second option starts with the help of yum. Here is an answer we can able to find easily and solve the question. Let's see a second one. Dash ANANA. The word is here. If you put B over here, banana is the next fruit. Then the third one is apple, APPLE. Then the fourth one is pear. All these are the fruits. That means our option number second is right over here. Let's see the seventh question. See here, what is given? What is that begins with letter T? What is that begins with letter T and ends with T, and which ends with T also? We have to find a word that begins with T and ends with T and is full of T. And options are given. First one is Kit Kat. The word begins with T and ends with T. Then the second one is teapot. Teapot starts from T and ends with T. Then the third one is teacup. That begins with T but not ends with T. Then the fourth option is tip-top. Tip-top, the word begins with T but not ends with T. That means these two answers are not correct. And here are two words. Then if you confuse yourself, then you have to read the questions again and again. Here is a last line given to us, and it is full of T. Kit Kat is not full of T. चहानी भरलेला असेल अशी कोणती गोष्ट असेल? Yes, here is the word teapot. किटलीला आपण चहा टाकतो की नाही, जी चहाने सतत भरलेली असते, is full of tea. That means the option number second is right over here. Then we are going to see a next question. Question number 8. If you are not able to read this puzzle, I am going to write over here. See, here we have to find out a missing letter in the word. If we put U over here, what will happen? If we put U over here, S-H-U-L-L, that means that word doesn't give us a sense. That is a word. B-U-A-C-H. No, that means the option number 1 is not correct. Then we can put O over here. S-H-O double N. No. B-O-A-C-H. This will also O with the help of O. We cannot able to make a word with the help of it. Then we can take L. S-H-L, triple L is over here. There is a no word that having a triple L. That means L is also a not right option. Then the last one is E. That means S-H-E. If we put E here, what the word we can we are able to make shell. What is the meaning of shell? Yes, shell means simply. And B-E-A-C-H, beach. Beach म्हणजे किनारा. Then the right option is E. Then we are going to see another question. It flies in the sky. It flies in the sky. But it is not a bird. आकाशात उडतो पण तो पक्षी नाहीये. People enjoy playing with it. लोकांना त्याच्यासोबत खेळायला आवडतं. What is that? काय असेल बरं ते? In this question you have to think and you have to give me answers. Is it a cloud? Is it an air? Is it a kite? Or is it an aeroplane? See, cloud can fly in the sky. Air is also in the sky. Kite is also flying in the sky. Aeroplane is also in the sky. But what is next given? It is not a bird. All these things are not bird. But you have to straight over here. People like to enjoy playing with it. This sentence gives you a clear-cut idea of your option, correct option. People enjoy playing. That means लोकांना खेळायला आवडतं. मग लोक क्लाउड सोबत ढगांसोबत खेळतात का? नाही. हवेसोबत खेळतात का? नाही. एरोप्लेन विमानासोबत खेळतात का? नाही. लोक कशासोबत आपण कोणता खेळ खेळतो? पतंग उडवण्याचा खेळ खेळतो. दॅट मीन्स द राईट ऑप्शन इज काय? विच इज द राईट ऑप्शन? ऑप्शन नंबर 4 is right over there. या प्रश्नांमध्ये काही फसवे उत्तर सुद्धा तुम्हाला दिलेले असतात, लक्षात घ्या. तुम्हाला वाटेल इट लाईज इन द स्काय, आकाशात ढग सुद्धा असतात, एअर सुद्धा असते, विमान सुद्धा आकाशात असतं, काही चारही आहे. मग इथे तुम्ही कन्फ्यूज होता. मात्र अशा प्रकारे कुठल्या कन्फ्यूज न होता पूर्ण क्वेश्चन जर तुम्ही शांतपणे नीट वाचलात तर तुम्हाला त्याचं राईट आन्सर मिळेल. जर तुम्ही ही शेवटची लाईन मिस केली असते तर तुम्हाला चारही पर्याय बरोबर वाटले असते आणि चारही पर्यायांपैकी तुम्ही कुठलाही मार्क दिला असता जो यथाकदाचित चुकीचा ठरला असता आणि तुमचा हातचा 1 मार्क गेला असता. So that you have to read questions carefully and try to understand the right meaning of it. तुम्हाला वाक्य वाचन जमलं पाहिजे. Where we have to stop reading, where we have to take a pause while reading. It will help us to understand the right meaning of the sentence. That's why you have to read every day. Practice makes man perfect. If you are able to understand the language of the question, then you can easily go towards the right answer. Let's see. Let's take next question. Question number 10. Okay, first of all, we read the question. Select the correct option and solve the picture. See, here a spelling is given T U R T L, and here is a blank bracket is here. Then the given L E P. Then the blank bracket is given A N T. Here is O R, blank bracket is given, and E. Here is Q U I R R E L. Here is a word having some blank bracket is given. We have to put alphabet in it. Then first one is Turtle. Here the names of animals are given. If you are able to read or if you can recall the names of the animals, then you are able to solve this type of question. Turtle. Which alphabet comes over? It comes here. Turtle. That means E comes first. Here is our E is given over here. Then elephant. ELEPH. H is given over here in the last option. The name elephant is here. Then HOR. Yes. Yes comes here. Then the name of the animal makes horse. And the last one is squirrel. Kharutai. Yes. Then the right option is option number 4. If you put all the options, then you can waste your time. First of all, if you able to understand the spelling of turtle, that turtle spelling last with alphabet E, then you can easily find that between the four options, there is a fourth option which starts or which gives us hint that is here. It will be going to be right. So we have to put all these alphabets in it. If we put E over here, yes over here, and yes over this black bracket, then all the names of the animals we are able to make. Then see a next question. Are you able to read the question? Yes. I have a hole in my heart. I'm made of metal. I guard your door. Who I am? You are not able to read this? I can read for you. I have a hole in my heart. माझ्या छातीमध्ये एक होल असतो म्हणजे एक छिद्र असतं. I am made of metal. मी कशापासून बनलेलो आहे? मेटल. मेटल पासून बनलेलो आहे. I guard your door. मी तुमच्या दरवाजाचं रक्षण करतो. Who am I? Option 1 is door. Second one is block. Third one is lock. And the fourth one is window. Then आपण डोअरचं रक्षण करेल का? नाही. Then the first option is wrong. Then the second, block. Is there any block? No. Then the third option is lock. Yes, we can lock the door. It is locked. We can lock the door, and it is of metal. It is made up of metal. And in a lock, if we see a picture of a lock, then there is a one hole is there. This hole is in his heart. That means the option number third is right, and fourth one is window, which is also incorrect option. Then our correct option is the lock. See, we are going to take another question. Rearrange the letters to form a meaningful word related to railways. आपल्याला या दिलेल्या शब्दामधले अल्फाबेट जे आहेत ते रिअरेंज करायचे, म्हणजे पुनर्स्थापित करायचे, ज्याच्यापासून आपल्याला असा एक शब्द बनेल की जो कशाशी रिलेटेड असेल? रेल्वेज. मग टोया स्टील. I am not listened this word regarding railways. The second one is station. The third one is toasting. This is not a word, or this is also not a word, but I can understand. There is a railway station. Station means sthanak. That means the option number second is right one. Let's see another question. See, here are some alphabets are given. R, O, N, A and here is L. We have to find out this and this alphabet so that we can able to understand it. Are you able to see or see it? Yes. Here is a word that begins with this letter. We have to find it. R-O-N. And here is also a word N-A-L. We have to put one letter instead of this star. If we put C over there, crow, N-A-C-L, we cannot able to make a second word over there. So that then if we put I over there, that means if we put I over here, iron, and if we put I over here, nail is there. Nail म्हणजे नखे आणि iron means आपली इस्त्री जी असते तिला आपण iron म्हणतो. That means the second option is right over here. Let's see next question. Find the hidden part of the body in the given sentence. So, here is the next question. Find the hidden part of the body. We all know the parts of the body. In a given sentence, एक sentence आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. कोणता sentence आहे ते? They escaped in a balloon. Let's see. The word sentence is given to us is that they escaped in a balloon. In this sentence, we have to find out a part of body. What we have to find out? A part of body. As we know, head, eyes, ear, face, hands, legs, all these are parts of body. But if we look a sentence carefully, then we have to make one word. Cap is a part of body. No, elbow. We can. The second option is elbow. We can able to find the word elbow in the sentence. No, there is no word that we are able to form elbow. Elbow means आपला ऊपर जे असतं त्याला आपण elbow म्हणतो. Then third option is eyes, and the fourth option is nails. Nails is also we are not able to make a word nail, but eyes we can able to find that EYES. This makes a word eyes. Then our right answer is option number third. Let's take up another question. Here are some alphabets are given and we have to make the word from it. What is given? Instruction is instructions for to solve the question from 15 to 18. Look at the pie chart. This is a pie chart, and with the help of this pie chart, we have to find out the word which is not formed using a letter from the chart. असे शब्द आपल्याला शोधायचा आहे की जो आपल्याला या ठिकाणी बनत नाही. With the help of this अल्फाबेट कोणता शब्द शोधायचा आहे जो या अक्षरांपासून या अल्फाबेट पासून बनत नाही. 5 P is there. Yes, P is there. I. This is I here. T is there. Is. There is no E is given. That means our right answer is 5. But sip, yes, I, P. Sip is our pot. P, P, O, P. Pot. Soap. Yes, O, A, and P. All these words, we are able to make these words, but we are not able to make word bite with the help of this pie chart. So, our right answer is option number 1. Likewise, you have to take a screenshot of it and you can solve remaining questions. Question number 16, 17, and 18. If you want to take a screenshot, take of it, and you have there is a practice for you to solve all these questions. Is that okay? Then let's see another question. Here is question is given. I like bones. My children are puppies. I guard your house at night. Who are you? I like bones. My children are puppies. I guard your house at night. मी तुमच्या घराचं राखण करतो संध्याकाळी. Who I am? मग वॉचमनचे पपीज असतात का? नाही. देन गुरखा त्याचे पण नसतात. मग आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती आहे आपल्या घराचं राखण करणारा कोणता प्राणी आहे? Which is the animal who protects in the night when we sleep? The animal is dog. That means the right answer is dog. See, I cannot live without water. I have fins. I cannot live without water. I have a fins. I swim in water. Who I am? मी पाण्याशिवाय राहू शकत नाही. I have fins. I swim in water. Who I am? स्नेक सुद्धा पाण्यात पोहू शकतो, टॉर्टॉइज आणि फ्रॉग हे पाण्यात राहू शकतात. मात्र याच्यातला सेकंड ऑप्शन जो आहे फिश, त्या फिशला फिन्स असतात, इतर कोणालाही फिन्स नसतात. दॅट्स वाय आवर राईट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड. Then find out the hidden name of the vehicle in the sentence. In this sentence, pay your tax in a time. We have to find out the name of vehicle over there. Look at here. Here is a word taxi. We can make T-A-X-I. That means the option number 4 is right over here. Let's see another question. I have 4 wings and 6 legs. My name tells you what I can do. Who I am? पहा या ठिकाणी फसवा प्रश्न येईल. And मुंगी, कॉकरोच याला कसा सहा पाय असतात, मुंगीला सहा पाय असतात. फ्लाय, माशी and यांना सर्वांना सहा पाय असतात. मग 6 लेग सगळ्यांना आहे. माय नेम टेल्स यू व्हॉट आय कॅन डू. माझं नाव तुम्हाला सांगतं मी काय करतोय. अँड सांगतं का, अँड हे नाव दाखवतं का आपण काय करतोय ते नाही. देन कॉकरोच हे नाव सुद्धा दाखवत नाही. बी नाही. मात्र फ्लाय, फ्लाय मिनिंग ऑफ फ्लाय इज माशी. माशी काय करते, उडते, फ्लाय करते. That's why the name itself tells us what she can do. That is our right option is option number 3, fly. This type of questions are given to you. Then the next question is that solve the riddles. I use snapper and a screwdriver. Who am I? मी पाना आणि स्क्रूड्रायव्हर वापरतो. मी कोण असेल? मेकॅनिक, पॉटर, मिल्कमॅन और अ फार्मर. यस, राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1, द मेकॅनिक. Are you able to see this picture? Yes. Join the letter of the alphabet with the help of picture from a meaningful word. Yes, the picture is of lock. The option number 3 is right one. Let's see the next question. I won the race with hair. Me. टेक्निकल एरर मुळे आपल्याला फाईल दिसत नाहीये. 2 मिनिटं. I won the race with hair. I can live on land as well as in the water. Who am I? मी सशाबरोबरची रेस जिंकलेली आहे. मी पाण्यातही राहू शकतो आणि जमिनीवरही. असं कोण आहे यांच्यापैकी? टॉर्टॉइज आहे, स्नेक आहे, डिअर आहे की स्नेल आहे? यस. तर कोणी जिंकली होती ती रेस त्या गोष्टीमधली? तर टॉर्टॉइज मीन्स कासव. कासवाने ती रेस जिंकली होती. म्हणून ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज राईट. Can see a next question. I am bigger than sea. It is dark and quite deep inside me. मी मोठा आहे कशापेक्षा? सी मीन्स समुद्र, समुद्रापेक्षा मोठा आहे. इट इज डार्क अँड क्वाइट डीप इनसाइड मी. माझ्या खोलात जाल तर तिथे खूप डार्कनेस आहे, अंधार आहे. क्वाइट डीप इनसाइड मी. आय एम की जे खूप खोल आहे. देर आर माउंटेन्स. माझ्या त्या ठिकाणी माउंटेन्स सुद्धा आहेत, प्लेन्स पठार सुद्धा आहेत, ट्रेंचेस म्हणजे दऱ्या सुद्धा आहेत खोल. मग ऍट द बॉटम व्हॉट आय एम, असं कोण आहे? बीच, किनारा नाही, किनारा कोण नसतो तिथे, माउंटेन्स वगैरे नसतात. देन व्हॅली नाही, व्हॅली असते तिथे, परंतु व्हॅली मध्ये आपल्याला व्हॅली समुद्रापेक्षा मोठी असते का? इट इज बिगर दॅन सी. नो, द सेकंड थर्ड ऑप्शन इज नॉट ऑल्सो राईट. देन क्रेट, there is this option is also not right. But if you look at the word ocean, ocean means महासागर, अनेक समुद्रांनी बनतो तो महासागर. मग बिगर दॅन सी, समुद्रापेक्षा मोठा आहे, खूप खोल सुद्धा असतो. त्याच्या आतमध्ये, महासागराच्या आतमध्ये माउंटेन्स, प्लेन्स अँड ट्रेंचेस सुद्धा असतात. मग our right option is option number second. Then the next one is I have 2 hands and 2 legs. I have a small head. मला 2 हात आणि 2 पाय आहेत. I have a small head. मला छोटस डोकं आहे. There are 2 antennas on my head. माझ्या डोक्यावर 2 antennas असतात. I obey my master's order. ही माझ्या मास्टरच्या ऑर्डर ऐकतो. असं कोण आहे? सर्वंट काम ऐकतो, परंतु त्याच्या डोक्यावर अँटेनाज असतात का? नाही. कॉम्प्युटरला 2 हात आणि 2 पाय असतात का? नाही. टेलिव्हिजनला 2 पाय आणि 2 हात असतात का? नाही. रोबोट. Yes, the right answer is robot. He is having 2 hands and 2 legs. He has a small head. There are 2 antennas which receive instructions. On robot, there is a 1 head is there, and robot obeys his master's orders. That means the option number 4 is right one. See here, I am giving you some questions to solve. You have to take screenshot of it. Then you are able to find the answers of it. Are you able to take a screenshot of your mobile? Then take it. You have to solve it as an exercise. Take this one also. Very interesting questions are there. O is there. You have to find out the answers of it, so that you can able to understand or to exercise solving these questions. You are able to understand how to solve the puzzles. So this is the end of our today's topic. We learn how to solve questions regarding puzzles, how to solve puzzles or riddles. What we have to do, we have to observe and read the sentence clearly. We have to think on it. We have to analyze what they are given to us. Then we have to solve, and we have to succeed to solve the puzzles. If you are going to solve the puzzles, it will be fun-related game. You can easily understand the language if you practice of it. Every puzzle you solve today makes you smarter tomorrow. Your smarter will be your
tomorrow will be smarter, because you are a good student, and we learn today's topic, solving puzzles. It is a fun related game, and if you practice it, you can easily able to solve the questions in your 4th standard scholarship exams. I wish you a best of luck, and I thank all our department colleagues, those who have given me opportunity to take this a beautiful lesson for you. Thank you.